Hi, you guys. We're going to start with activity. I'm going to share you first the page. Well, actually, not the page. Es la imagen con la que trabajamos aquí. Ok, como pueden observar, el tema de hoy se llama Understanding Regulations. Ok, pero van a ver ustedes lo que es imperatives también. Como pueden observar, están ligadas estas dos. Porque si nos están diciendo understanding regulation, ¿a qué les viene lo que es la palabra esta? Es como entender las regulaciones. O sea, es como entender las reglas. Pero a la misma vez utilizamos imperatives. ¿Se acuerdan de cuando estábamos viendo ese imperative son giving orders, commandments? Bueno, están ligadas una a la otra. A rule is a statement that tells you what is or is not allowed in a particular game, situation, etc. It is also an accepting procedure, custom, or habit. When you understand regulation, no way have no you I'm sorry, you may not have problems of. So, entonces, si me están diciendo que si yo entiendo lo que son las regularizaciones, voy a entender y aceptar lo que son los rules. Como pueden ver, rule, understand the regulation y los imperatives están ligadas entre sí. ¿Ok? ¿Cómo que? Vamos a ver en la siguiente porque estamos mencionando esto. For the classroom. Ok, vamos a ver, vamos a subirlo un poquito. Como pueden ver aquí, wash your hands. Es un rule, es una regla. ¿Ok? Wash es que parte de los imperatives. Pero entonces estamos entendiendo lo que nos estaban diciendo anteriormente. Understanding regulations, estamos entendiendo las regularizaciones, son reglas. Entonces, como pueden ver, están unidas unas a las otras. Use hand sanitizer as needed. ¿Ok? Use, usa gel antibacterial cuando es necesario. So, entonces, si esa es una regla o es un understanding regulation, las reglas y el understanding regulation son similares. Simplemente hay que observar cómo es lo que nos están diciendo, pero siguen siendo imperatives. Okay? Now, I'm going to start telling this in English. Ahora voy a empezar porque no hay una actividad aquí en todo eso, simplemente an explanation. Ya ustedes ya escucharon anteriormente lo que se está diciendo. Ahora voy a empezar en inglés para que ustedes vayan comprendiendo lo que se está diciendo. Stay in your area. This is one commandment, okay? In your area. Could it be a regulation? Yes, because they're telling you don't and separate in other or don't bother your classmates because you have to stay in your area. Wear a mask. Well, actually, we're talking about from the classroom. From this day that we were in the pandemic, we had a lot of rules. So it implies to understand what they're telling us about the understanding regulation because it's a statement in the rule. But even then, we're using imperatives. So I'm going to continue in this one, but I'm going to change a little bit the picture. So there is. I'm going to put it a little bit in the different one because you have to see it. Okay. Can you see it? No. Now you see it. I'm going to still move it a little bit over here in the middle. Okay. That's perfect. So it says street. Could it be a commandment? No, this one it's telling you that this is the street. Now, this one could it be an imperative and a rule, understanding what are you doing? It said wait for the light. Okay, wait for the light. You have to stop here. So it is a rule. You cannot cross it because it's telling you that you cannot walk because it's in red. So it tells you this is imperative. It's telling you to wait here. Now, the second one, I'm sorry for this one. It said, wait for walking signs. This is another rule. Okay, it says wait. If the hand is wait and it's telling you don't walk, so this is understanding rule. Okay, so it does mean that it's really impairs with the imperatives, and even then understanding regulation and the rule. The three of them applies. Now you have this one. Walk on sideway. Even the picture's telling you you cannot cross. You cannot cross. You have to start still walking in the sideway. Okay. Now, what other one is it very important? Stop signs. This is one that everybody sees it in the streets. Okay. Now, as you can see, this lesson, it's very simple. The only thing that it's applying, they have to talk in English because you have to start understanding everything that I'm saying. Even then, when the lesson, it's only an explanation. I already told you all the things before in Spanish and English. Now, this lesson has to be in English. Now, in the next one, even this one, I'm going to put this one as an example. No crossing. So is it telling you imperatives? Yes, because it says no. Even then, it's a rule because it's telling you that you cannot cross. So it makes you understand the margin that is telling you that you cannot do something because it's inside the regulation, but impairs the rule. Okay. So as you can see, this one has 3 lessons. Rules, number 1. This is I'm going to get back in the other one. Okay, so in pairs, 3 lessons. Which one are they? I'm going to take this off because I just wanted you guys to understand what I'm saying here. Okay, so it implies 3 lessons. Which ones are they? Okay, I'm going to put it in yellow. No, I'm going to put it in green. First of all, rules. The next one, understanding regulations. And the last one, imperatives. But even then, we have another one. Which one are they? Signs. We're talking about signs as well. Okay, I'm going to put this one here. You see signs. So signs are parts of understanding regulation. If they say stop, you have to stop. So this one applies a sign. Okay, there's another one. In this one, this is a sign. It's telling you that what? No crossing. You have to understand the margin that is telling you to understand that the margin is telling you that you cannot cross. You have to stop. So even then, this one makes you stop, and this one you cannot cross the line. As well in the signs with letters, it says don't walk and walk. This one, it's making you understand that there's a rule, and it's a sign as well. It's telling you that you cannot walk, or even then you can walk. So it has understanding, makes you a rule, imperatives, and even then we can add a sign. Okay, so as you can see, everything has to be in English. When I'm explaining a lesson, that doesn't give me more activity. It's only an explanation. Okay, so I hope you guys understood your activity, your lesson. Remember, this is an English class. So when there's nothing to explain with activity, everything has to be in English. This one is very easy. So I hope you guys understand about the difference between the four of them, actually, the 4 of them, and implies in the same one. Now, this is gonna be the end of this video. So I hope to see you in the next activity, in the next lesson. Sorry about that one. So have a great day. Bye.